Hey guys, this is Josh Chick here, and today's I'm going to show you on how to connect or set up your Xiaomi Haylou LS01 Smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go. Hi guys, this is Josh here again, and welcome back to my channel. And today is we're going to connect our smartwatch to our smartphone. Okay, so this is again the Haylou LS01 guys from Xiaomi. And before we connect our smartwatch, I'm just going to tell you that there are some additional features of this smartwatch that I was not able to mention on our unboxing 2 days ago. So here they are guys. So as I mentioned, so these are only the four features that I covered, and I didn't really know that when you swipe it down there are still some features guys. So we have here the music controller. So from that you can control your music from your smartwatch to your smartphone, and there is also the timer. And yes, I think that's pretty it. And then we have here the setting. So in the setting guys, you have here the dial, and when you say the dial here, so you can change the different wallpaper that you want as your home screen. So in my case I chose this one here. Yes, this one. And moreover we have here the dimming. So it means like you can adjust the brightness of your smartwatch, so it is according to the stars. So there are 3 stars there, so when you click 2 and then the light increases. Yes. And then we have here the about, so the version of your smartwatch, and we also have here the shutdown and reset. All right, so now guys, that's the additional information that I want to tell you. And now let's connect our smartwatch, the Haylou smartwatch, to our smartphone, and also let's also set it up. So okay, first is we have here our smartwatch, and then after that you can go to the Play Store if you are an Android user, or go to iStore if you are an iPhone user. So just search Haylou Sport. Haylou. Okay. Alright guys, so we have already searched it, and then we can see here the Haylou Sport, and just click install. Alright guys, so now it's already installed, so let's open the app. So allow Haylou Sport to access this device location, so click on allow and allow. And after that, so you have here some information like data synchro, multiple sports mode, cool play, and Haylou smartwatch, start your workout in a scientific way. So start to experience. So there's an instruction there guys, so instructions for protection of personal information. Thank you for trusting and using Haylou Sport, so we give the priority to the protection of your privacy, and so on. So let's just click agree guys, and after that it will prompt you to input your cell phone number and also your password. And in our case, so I will just set it up through my email. So just for a moment guys. Alright, so guys, upon entering our email and also the password, so it will prompt you to verify it. So they will actually send a code to your email. So let's just confirm it. Alright guys, so we have successfully verified it, and now let's just fill in the necessary information such as your date of birth, yes, and also your your height, like how tall are you, and also like how much do you weigh, and also your, yes, also your other information. So we have choose your device. After filling it out, then we have here choose your device and then Haylou smartwatch, yes, and search device, and sudden it automatically detects our Haylou smartwatch. So let's click it. So it said there linking. The device is in the bound state and is unbundled. Confirm. Unlink successful. I don't know why, so let's just try it again. And let's search it. Yes, so now it said here input 4 digits. Please input 4 digits on your device, and then let's input here 3673, and done. So it's successfully connected, and let's just wait for our app to load, and we will look at the menu and its features. This is now the app itself, and then it said here data synchronizing. So it said here no data today, and that's it. So on the home screen, so we have here the step and the mile, kcal, the length, and it also has sleeping. Yeah, no data today. Also the heart rate, and then the sport, so running, workout target, Google Maps, and also incoming call notice, message notification. So let's try to, so it means incoming call notice. If you click it on, then it will send you a notification to your smartwatch. Also message notice, and let's turn it on. Yes, also messenger and any other, uh yes. And then we have here the firmware version. If we click on the more functions, so we have firmware version. So this is the latest version, guys. Incoming call notice, message notice, alarm clock, heart rate detection, sports mode, race to wake up. I think that's familiar to us. So when you try to raise your smartwatch, then it will light up, guys. Music control and looking for mobile phone. So let's try it, guys. Looking for mobile phone, it's checked. So let's try, guys, in our phone, and then let's click this one. Yes. So when you want to look for your phone, or if you want to find your phone, just click this here, this kind of map here, and your phone will automatically make a sound. So yes, guys, it's amazing. So if you lost your phone, then you can easily get it back, guys. All right, and what else? So the heart rate. So let's try to check the heart rate. And then heart rate detection. So let's say auto. That's okay. All right, guys. So I think that's all for this, guys, for this video. And then if you have any questions about this smartwatch, and also um, with our setting up, just comment down below. And then if you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, guys, this is Josh, and I will see you on my next video.